Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you as a pin tutorial. So I hope you will like this video and you can make it very easily. In this project I need this kind of stuff. So I need has a pin and beads and crochet flower. This is circle shape cotton. This is has a pin, so I take one has a pin and another three I just put in the bag. This one is circle shape cotton, you can see. So it's fixed over there with the glue. And I'll put flower in this circle cotton. And I need a needle too, because for flower I didn't use so much glue because it's not last longer. I usually use needle and yarn, so it's lasts longer. And I need some beads. I have a bead tray, so I put in that tray. I take a little bit and then I put in the bag. Now I am joining this flower by hand stitch. I've not put any glue over there. So I need 3 flower and 3 beads to join this. Now I started hand stitch and I put 1 bead middle of flower. I'm done in 1 flower. Now I'm doing it second one. So this is a small flower. It's very easy to make it. I have a flower playlist, so if you need to know about crochet flower, you can go to my playlist and type crochet flower. Then you can see a lot of flower I make it. So you can make this flower very easily. So now I put the third one and I put a beads middle of the flower. Now I put some stone in the space of this circle, so it's look fuller and beautiful and so shiny. So this is the lock stone I put in my tray, and I'll show you guys how it's look. So this is the lock stone and rainbow color is really nice. So I'll put wherever is the gap, so it will be fuller. I take one and here I put and I need another one is here because I see a gap over here, so I'm gonna fill up. I take another one and the same process I'll make it. So now I make a knot and then cut the yarn. I'm done. Now I put some glue over here and I will join with this pin. So how it's look, you can see it's so easy and so beautiful. Now I put some glue in this pin, then I put this circle cotton. And I put over here very gently. So you can see guys, it's fixed very easily. And a little bit pressure on this glue. And I just keep 5 or 6 minutes, then it will be dry. And then I will keep working again. You can see it's really nice. So this is the simple way, but I want a little bit gorgeous, so I'll add on this pin some beads. So let's get started. I need a jump ring, so I'll take one jump ring in the small size. I have a lot of size, you can see large, medium, small, so I'll take just one. And then I close it and I put in the bag. So I need needle and yarn again, and I put this jump ring in my needle. I need some beads for hanging with this pin. It will be more gorgeous and more beautiful. If you want, you can do it. If you don't want, you can leave like that. It's simple, but I want more gorgeous, that's why I add these beads. So I'll put like that. I open this hook and then I put inside, and over here I'll make a knot to join these beads. And I make a lock, you can see, just one stitch, so it's not come out easily. Now I take off this needle and cut the extra yarn. Now you can see it's more gorgeous, more beautiful. And I'll open this pin and then I put this jump ring in the pin. I open it, and now this jump ring put inside, so it's hanging now. You can see it looks more gorgeous and so beautiful. So this is the crochet hijab pin. I hope you like this hijab pin so much. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel and click the bell button. Now I think you can make this hijab pin very easily. Thanks for watching. Bye and take care.